Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's February 23rd. Had to try to figure these days out here because everything's going by so fast. Hey, we got just one economic news release scheduled for today, and that's existing home sales for the month of January. So back in December, we had just over 5 million existing homes sales, and then the forecast was supposed to be just dip under, and actually pulled back a little bit more. So disappointing. First numbers of the year for existing home sales, so not as much, but a lot of it is if you factor that the holidays seasons, things typically will slow down a little bit. So we'll kind of wait and see as spring and summer arrives to see how much more it picks up. But it was obviously a little disappointing that came in under forecast here. Stock market's down. Some of it is that, but a lot of it is more on there's some merger acquisitions, some earnings reports that came in and stuff like that. So that's what's kind of driving the market more today. Greece kind of rallied the market last Friday, so bonds kind of took a big beating on it. A lot of it was they came to an agreement 4-month extension versus 6 months. But today they have to come in, and this is something you'll probably hear more all week because today they have to actually bring into meet with IMF, all the different creditors, and give them their austerity measures that they're going to implement, that they want to implement. And of course, it has to go through the approval process. So we could have some bumps and bruises along the way as we deal with Greece, probably most likely this week, maybe even next week as well. Also, oil dipped under $50 again today, under to 49, so it's kind of spooking a little bit the markets again. So as a result, let's take a look at the bond market, and as you see, we had a big spike downwards, but today we jumped up. We're up about 7 basis points for the day, which shows some improvement from pricing where we were on Friday, at least after the worst in pricing. So we had some improvement since then. Hey, also, I don't know if you guys are aware, but there's some changes coming up with reverse mortgages up ahead. We have so basically it's going to be ability to qualify. So there's 2 different things that they're going to be looking at. Income. They're going to be looking at residual income, so that way that they can at least a borrower can at least make their property tax, their insurance, housing payments on those. So they're going to be looking at a residual income. They have to qualify, and then they also have to look at willing to pay. So these are 2 new things that are going to be coming in. It was supposed to come in on starting in March, but it looks like they're going to be postponing it either 30, 60 days. They haven't given a notification as to when that will take place, but be prepared if you have a client, as your realtor, maybe have a client that's looking to use reverse mortgage, or if you're looking to be taking out a reverse mortgages. These are 2 new things that they're going to be implementing here very shortly on the since most of these are HUD rules that are coming into effect here very shortly in the near future. So be prepared, especially in the very beginning, as people get some of these things that the HUD released to underwriters. It's very vague, and if anything, they're going to go very conservative, as they would never want any of these come back at them. So be on the lookout for some of these changes coming ahead. All right, folks, thanks so much for watching. If you guys need any pre-approvals, we do have underwriting. We will do underwriting approvals, so that we have a full underwriting approval when you're ready to submit your bid and make it look a lot stronger. We're also working on refinances as well, so those who want to refinance. You can contact me through my profile if you'd like me to assist you. Have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys tomorrow.